Sit down with Ruth Porat, the company's CFO, and we talked about how Alphabet split its advertising revenue into its three buckets for the first time.
I often say that we've been on a journey and we've been expanding disclosure over time, whether it was providing more insight into what's our geographic breakdown or one-time run rates. We've looked at a number of changes over time, and our view was that this is helpful. So we took our sites, what was our sites revenue, and broke it into what's search and what's YouTube, and that gave everyone a slightly greater insight into what is the business and what have been the trends in the business. And similarly, I think providing the revenues for cloud, we've been investing heavily in our cloud business. Really excited. We ended the year with a $10 billion run rate, more than a $10 billion run rate business. We have an extraordinary leader. He was actually just up here this past week, given the opportunity in cloud and what we're doing and the extent to which we're investing. We're excited about it. And so, again, giving people a slightly greater insight into the momentum in that business.
It seems, obviously, from the numbers clear that the biggest growth and still the part that really fuels you is the ad business and the growth in ad revenue, which will be driven by data intelligence, right? How people can use it. And there again, you may have to deal with some pushback, maybe even regulations on that front. You hear from companies like Basecamp about bias in ads, in placement, in search results. Just the thinking around how you might be limited in that growth of that important part of your business by the regulatory environment.
So a lot of what you see with search is it's really context, and so we're addressing what is needed when you need it. And so we do continue to invest meaningfully in the search experience, making it better for users and helping with advertisers. But I want to go back to the premise on the question as well, which is one of the things we're really excited about is we're continuing to invest meaningfully in search and the overall search experience, but we're also investing to create other additional businesses, for example, in cloud. And when we talk about the investments that we're making, whether it's in people or in compute capacity, it's supporting the growth and momentum that we're seeing in the cloud business.